Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to LaShenny21Nails. It's my turn to choose our monthly NailTube Friends collab theme, and this is the one I chose. These are the friends that joined in: Maria, Brenda, Monse, and Carito. Let's get started. For my base, I chose these two Jessica nail polishes. This pink one is called Sweet Kiss, and this one, Chocolate Bronze. I'll stamp images from this Ejiubas plate EJB-X06. And to stamp, I'll use these two polishes. This one is from Born Pretty, and this one is from Maniology. As always, I use a piece of tape to remove the excess. Before I continue stamping, I want to apply this glitter polish. It's from the brand Barielle, and it's called Mermaid's Fin. After stamping, this is what I'm left with, and I was debating whether to apply a glossy top coat or a matte top coat, but I think this style will look pretty with a matte finish, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Hansen matte top coat and see how it turns out. Once the matte top coat completely dries, this is what we're left with, and I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Check the description box for links to my friends' videos.